So today I am using the Raspberry Pi 5 to control two stepper motors, this bipolar stepper motor and another bipolar stepper motor which has a rack and pinion connected to it. I have created this graphical user interface to control the stepper motors. I'm going to connect the supply now. I've connected the supply and I'm going to change the position of the slider, and this should be reflected with the position of the rack and pinion. So I'm going to change the position again. I'm going to home it and I'm going, that's 180, it goes straight to there, as can be seen there. I'm going to change it to there, and as we can see, the motor, it goes back to 0 as well. Now I'm going to control, I would like to control the motor, so I press this radio button and it becomes red, and I'm going to do full rotations. So I press that radio button. Here I'm going to enter the number of rotations. I'm going to say 12. When I press this button, this motor is going to turn 12 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And it worked. So I'm going to change the direction now, anti-clockwise. I'm going to, let's say I write 5 or 6 there. I'm going to start the button again, and this time it's turning the other way around, anti-clockwise, for 6 times. If I would like to, I'm going to leave it to anti-clockwise. This time I'm going to enter an angle. So this is going to be, let's say, 95 degrees. When I start the button, the motor should turn for 95 degrees. If I want to turn it to, let's say, 180 from as it is, I'm going to write 180 now. Okay, and it should turn to 180 degrees. Okay, if I want to change the direction now, I'm going to change the direction, and let's say would like 270. That's 270, and if I turn, I press the start button, it would turn to 270. It should have turned to 270. Let's do it again, and I think it is doing it, 270. So let's try 360 now. So that's one full rotation. We could have, let's try 135, and that should be 135.